Okay, so I'm going to continue with trying to repair and assemble this stand-up desk. The TechOrbits stand-up desk. And, it's model OF-RF47, and the problem initially was that on this frame, this extreme hole where the screws are supposed to go in, it was seemed too small, and the screw didn't seem to be going in. All the way. So the solution that I thought of is to sort of tap this hole again with the right kind of drill bit, or the tap and die set. I got this. I was gonna try these. I got them on Amazon, and the specific size that I needed was an M6 from what I'd measured last time. Which was, I'm gonna confirm that again. Yeah, goes into an M6. So I'm gonna use I think I'll first try the hand tool, because this drill bits seem a little too aggressive in approach. So I'm gonna first try this hand tool set. It's an 8-piece tap set, and I think it includes the M6. So that's what I'm gonna first try, and then if that doesn't work, then I'll try the drill bits. So I'll continue this video